Hello dear students, welcome to our source classes, and this video I will be solving Delhi School of Economics 2021 question paper. Some selective questions, I have it here, so I will solve them in different videos. Let me just take a little bit thinner pen. The first one is, which of the following is true? First, any preference can be represented by a utility function. No, not all preference orderings can be said, like theoretical preference ordering cannot be said represented by the utility function. So in that case, it is wrong. Next, any complete and transitive preference can be represented by a utility function. No, not all transitive relationships cannot be represented, so this is wrong. Some complete and transitive yeah, this is selective uh, preference orderings can be represented. Now one question can come to our mind, what is this transitive preferences all about? Okay, so transitive preferences are is a fundamental principle shared by most of the major contemporary rational perspective and descriptive models. To have the transitive preference, a person or a group, a person or a group also we can say that, or a society prefers the choice of X to Y and Y to Z, then it X prefers to Z. So this is the transitive structure of preferences. So in some cases it is. Okay, so this is actually strictly preferred to, and only preferred to it comes with like this. Any complete and monotonic preference can be represented. No, again, not all monotonic structures cannot be represented. So C is the only correct answer. Okay, next 18. 18 is suppose that the commodity prices are strictly positive. Okay, that's good. Remember that here positive means greater than 0, not greater than equal to 0. So zero prices cannot be considered. Consider the following utility function. One of these functions has no income effect on good X for a certain range of income. Identify it. So no income effect. In this case, if you have to identify, you can see it directly here. Uh, no income effect on good X for certain range. Okay, so here this is actually ln of xy, so u to the power, so this is not possible. Root xy, this have a positive income effect. Minimum of x plus y, we can say it like this is complementary structure, so this is not, so only one thing which cannot be represented. And here if you see all these structures, these two structures are also homogeneity is maintained, but in this case it is not, so A is the possible answer. So the next one is very interesting here. A rotating credit and saving association is made up for the group of individuals, and the members of ROSCA pool their money into a common fund, and what the fund is doing, and generally structured around the monthly monthly contribution of a singular member, withdrawals of the money from the lump sum called the pot, and the end of the quarter. In order in one cycle, each member must withdraw the pot exactly once. So here is quite common of the developing countries. So this example is actually of a moral hazard issue. Sorry, not moral hazard, this is a risk sharing. So everyone is pooling money into one structure. So pooling money, and whoever gets it into a problem, so that money is used to help that individual. So in that case, we can say it's a risk sharing structure. So 19 option number C is correct.